What's good, guys? We out here, man, goddamn Guatapé, man, the big ass motherfucking rock. This shit, I'm just a tourist out here, bro, but I still get down with the motherfucking goddamn locals. Hey, we about to go grab some food. You know what I'm saying? This little spot right here, something slight, man. Like some fucking, some steak and shit, bro. You know how we get down, but yeah, man, trip about to be crazy. We about to get a lot of footage, man. We about to be on some jet skis. Yeah, I'm about to see some wild shit. I'm about to do a whole goddamn backflip on that bitch. You're about to see me go crazy with that. But anyway, yeah, man, get with me, lock in. I ain't never been to this place in Colombia. I ain't never been to Guatapé. But you know what I'm saying? It's cool, you know, it's a nice little vibe. About to get hit by a car and shit. Hopefully a big fly south don't die before I get back to Miami. You hear me? But yeah, man, shit. Pan the camera, look at this, man. This down in the goddamn swamp, bitch. I ain't gonna lie, gang. This shit grits, man. Y'all gonna see me in the Amazon, bitch. Oh God, bitch. Oh shit, grits. Fuck around, might pop out and live in Colombia, bro. I like the city, man. I ain't gonna lie. But everything's been going good, man. Y'all fuck with me.
I got all that money on me, buy a Hummer truck. Got that place doubled up like it's double dutch. All this shit I did, now my mama asking what.
This shit smell crazy right now. Y'all get the smell of this shit. I ain't gonna lie, this shit smell crazy, gang. This shit. But hey, look at this shit, man. That goes all the way up, man. They don't even sell jet skis right now. Look like we grits. They're right there. Go through the whole shit to get this shit right, dude. That's how you know you in the ghetto. You walking on the boards. You walking on the motherfucking wood, bitch. I about almost ate shit. Y'all don't see that? Water real murky, man. It'd be a real shame if somebody fell in there and died, you know? The water real murky, man. I'm trying to tell you. I might even start doing travel vlogs. We gonna do some like editing and shit if y'all fuck with it. I might just start doing travel vlogs. Big fly south, going to everywhere. Bitch, I'm going to Colombia. Bitch, I'm going to Nicaragua. Bitch, I'm going to UK, ho. I might just start doing travel vlogs, bitch. No cap. Watch your step, y'all. You're gonna step in some sharky water, man. Muddy, murky water. About to go crazy, man. Say what's up to my boy right here.
Hey, quiero que estamos.
Yeah, man. He eating a motherfucking arepa, man. We eating good shit out here, boy. Y'all lock in, but yeah, we got the motherfucking this shit like $5 to rent probably. This shit, they got the whole boat out here. Fuck around, might take a swim, you heard me? Jump in a bitch like this. Yeah, man. Fuck around, might die up in this bitch, man. You fall off the goddamn boat. What it is, man. What it is, what it ain't. You're over here, got the boat. You know what I'm saying? We might even go on the bitch, but real talk, we about to just hit the jet skis. You see, I got put on for the jet skis. Got the dogs out. The dogs is out, but you know what I'm saying? We going crazy, man. We going crazy. You finna see some shit. I'm finna be like doing some jet ski content. The reels is gonna be crazy because I got the editor and shit behind the camera. Shout out Sursai. You know what I'm saying? But we going crazy, bro. We got the editing for the reels and shit, man. Come this way real quick. We really been doing a whole lot. Yeah, man. Yeah, we really been on some whole lot of new shit, bro. You might even see me go get a bite to eat on the boat or some shit, bro. You know, you never know. But you know what I'm saying? We got bro behind the camera and shit. Gonna follow me around for a few little bit. Not too crazy. I ain't really finna even pay bro that much. I ain't gonna lie. But real talk. About to be in a jet ski like that. Some motherfucker called me blessed, bro. They said I was blessed. Do I look like blessed? Somebody that's named blessed? I don't know this Spanish artist that they talking about. But apparently he make music and he got blue hair apparently. So I don't know who blessed is, but shit, I'm floss out. You already knew who I am. I'm floss out, bitch. You got bro right here. We're gonna see what he got going on right here. What you got to say, man? What happened?
Papi,
Con los jet
aquí
skis.
en Guatapé con los jet skis pagando la bueno.
Bro, we good? We good?
Good. Vamos a toda, papá.
You know, you heard it first here, man. Everything good, gravy. But yeah, man, check this out. They got a whole fucking lounge and shit in here, bro. In my 29, 30 years I've been alive, I've never seen no motherfucking like a standstill boat just sitting here serving food and shit. That's all some crazy shit, honestly. But regardless, we gonna go crazy, man, on these jet skis, man, with the homeboys. We finna go wild, real talk. Everything that I've been doing, it's all for the fans, man. I do it for the love of this shit. It's all content. It's all just for the love, bro. Everything's for the love. We got the everything going on. But type shit, man. Y'all definitely fuck with the vlogs. Keep following me, man. I got a whole lot of content for y'all, man. I appreciate the love y'all dropping in the comments too, man. What's your guys' favorite place to go travel? Drop it down in the comments, man. Like, it don't have to be no crazy shit. It could even be the corner store and, you know, up the street, or it could even be the favorite Mexican spot, you know? What's your favorite spot to travel? Drop it in the comments.
So don't worry about it. It's cool. I'm you, if you want to know.
All the French fry designer on me, I ain't going home. Yeah, I got all the cash on me, but I feel alone. Stay gripping on my strap, but I guess I ain't alone. Pussy boy, yeah, he talking, man, I pull up to his home. I'm a drop top demon, see me cruising down the road. Maserati black tinted windows, park that bitch at home. I came up riding for onion, I know you really ain't on none. I take me a perk, I don't feel none. The album be coming next summer. I just told my mama I relapsed.
That bitch can't see me. So that bitch can't see me. Yeah, so we trying to find the best shit, the best place to rent the jet skis at, you know? Trying to really figure out what the best price is, bro. 'Cause prices out here are different from the United States, bro. You know what I'm saying? So we had the homeboys, you know, trying to figure it out. So, you know what it is. They locals, bro, you know, but I'm not a local, you know, but obviously I'm not a local, but look at me. I'm big floss out.
Yeah, I got all the cash on me, but I feel alone. Stay gripping on my strap, but I guess I ain't alone. Pussy boy, yeah, he talking, man, I pull up to his home. Pull up to his home. Pussy boy, yeah, he talking, man, I pull up to his home.
Hey, man, we out here, goddamn.
Pussy boy, yeah, he talking, man, I pull up to his home.
¿Cómo te llamas?
¿Cómo sabes, man?
¿Vives aquí o no? ¿Vives aquí o no? ¿De dónde eres?
I know what you doing here right now. I see you out there with your hair down. She be off the drugs talking real loud. Yeah, I'm big flashing on my ice out. Ice out. I ain't really tripping about it right now. No, I am. But I just wanna see what's really going on. I'm on my way back home. I tell my girl that I'm focused on. I'm trying to get that goal. Tell her that I'm on my way home. I tell her that I'm on my way home. I tell her that I'm on the way home. Goddamn. Yeah. Come on. She know what I'm doing here right now. She didn't want the money in the night out. Don't blow my phone, got a new one. Tryna act up, ain't gon' do nothing.
What's good, man? What's good? What it is, what it ain't, you know what I'm saying? Just got back to the studio, about to film some content, man. Shit's going crazy recently, bro. I see some crazy shit out here in Colombia since I've been here, gang. I see some wild shit. I saw a motherfucking homeless dude beat up a fucking homeless lady with a broomstick, like, on the side of the road or some crazy shit, bro. I was like, what the fuck? But yeah, man, shit been real sweet out here. I'm fucking with it, man. You know, I might even buy a house out here one day. But hey, appreciate y'all showing some love, man. Definitely leave a comment and shit on the video. Bro, I've been going crazy, man. I'm gonna keep traveling. And fuck it, if y'all keep fucking with the vlogs, bro, I might even be a goddamn travel vlog person, bro. You might just come with me everywhere I go. How would y'all like them apples, man? I ain't gonna lie, that might be cold, right? Yeah, but drop a little comment in the video for me, man. Share the shit. I'm trying to go really like crazy with the shit, man. Everybody that I meet, I'm meeting connections, you know. Meeting a lot of cool people. Shit been vibing, bro. Honestly, I fuck with it out here. Hey, comment your favorite place to visit in Colombia. Drop it down in the comments.
On the way, hit me, say shine. On the road, headlights, headlights, and shows. Oh, die. Get white all night. We doing lines. Oh God, fucked up. I'm so high. I've been needing me some time alone. Been about a week sitting calling on my phone. Not them first goddamn really.